repairing roads in a few minutes. Would you believe if we said road repairs can be done faster than ordering pizza? Well, a UK-based company, Velocity, has mastered just what it takes. The process kicks off with the patcher blasting air at warp speed, clearing debris. Then, the area is coated with a layer of cold bitumen. Finally, the aggregate mix is fired from the hose at high speed, eventually coating the granules with bitumen and fixing the road. No waste, no road disruption, and cost-effective. The patch works instantly and remains in place like any regular road. Isn't this the best method to repair roads?